my name is Andrew from Camera House Erina, and this is my entry into the Camera House Photo of the Year competition for the creative work, which won first place. My number one tip for creative photography is have fun. The whole concept of this is you're creating a fun photo, and if you're not having fun while you're doing it, that's not going to come across in your photo. You have to enjoy what you're doing. You've got to think about what you want, but most of all, have fun. Creative photography needs an inspiration to start with. You need to get an idea from somewhere, whether it's something you've seen, someone else's work, in the case of this, or just something you've seen in day-to-day life. But having that inspiration allows you to form an idea to capture the shot. What I wanted to achieve with this image was a sense of fun, a sense of love and a bit of movement.